Hey, welcome back. Frickworks here. Today we are going to cast a new set of pin blanks. These are going to be turquoise, which is white and ocean blue dye together, with a bit of red Russet Pearl-Ex, and then we're going to come back with just a cut of the white dye. So it's going to be turquoise, white, and red, kind of a southwest theme. We get it mixed up, and we will take a look at those finished blanks when they're done. Okay, everybody, demold time. Those came out pretty easy. Okay, there you have it. A real pretty blue color with those reds and the white stripes through it. Yeah, that looks nice. There you have it, turquoise, red, and white. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.